Hello, beautiful people. Good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. It's Winnie here again in another video. Guess what? Veekeejames made a lot of masterpieces for the Amvca, and I thought to share it with you guys. This dress that she made for SAS Godaro is giving everything beauty with the towel design and the tree-like effect. This tree-like effect, I believe it must have been copper wire that they used to create this effect. I'm going to do a separate video showing you what a copper wire looks like with another process video so that you can see what a copper wire looks like. It was definitely a copper wire that was used because there are different sizes of copper wires. There is a very tiny one, there is a thick one, medium size. I'm sure they must have used the very tiny ones and then they sprayed it to give it the exact earth color that they wanted, the brownish tree color, because most copper wires are either silver or gold. All right, you cannot see anyone that has earth color, so I'm sure that they must have sprayed this tree effect with some colors to give it the design that they wanted. And then the fact that they used towels for the design of this dress was made it a total masterpiece. Like, who would have thought that a towel can be used to design a dress? This is a normal cupped corset, and the inner part was a skin mesh, and then the towels were used to design the dress. Now, to cover the edges of the towels, there were beads that were put there to cover the fraying edges of the towel. They used brown crystal beads and everything came out absolutely stunning. So the next one that she made that I loved was this that she made for Mercy Aigbe. I love the way the cutout of the moon was neatly done, and then the color match, the black and orange and yellow, everything was looking absolutely stunning. And this one was for Kiki, and what I love about this dress is the cloudy effect. It looks like it was cotton wool that was used. I've not really known what they actually used for the upper part, but the colors are giving. So these are basically all the designs that I could compile. Till I see you in my next one. I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.